Alright everybody, welcome back. It's that day. About to crank up the turbines and everything and do some taxi tests and get everything packed away for Kentucky Jets. I CG'd it. I went with what Barry said from King Tech. Just you can kind of see the bolt there. It's backed out a little bit, and I just pretty much hung it from right on that bolt. It was tail heavy, had me worried because I thought I was going to have to put a lot of weight on it, but it actually only took about 200 plus grams to level it out with all the batteries being in the nose, and the swing wing battery was about right here, and it hung a little bit nose low, even with the aft F-14 or the aft Phoenix rails that I put on this one. It still is a little bit nose low when I CG it, which is good because I'm going to add an iGyro eventually, and that'll add a little bit of weight. Plus I got to put the, all the antennas that I got from the little jet company, which they have a little bit of weight to them because of the magnets. So with all that, it should be perfect because I haven't put the missiles on, and the Phoenix missiles, the front Phoenix missiles are way ahead of the CG, and the back Phoenix missiles are kind of right on the CG, and then the missiles on the side are a little bit they're kind of like cut in the middle of the CG, a little bit forward of the CG. So I should be able to move that battery back even further to where I originally wanted it, which was back in this area here. So yeah, but I went ahead and primed them. The turbines are good. I had to reverse the throttle channels because they were reversed, but no biggie there. I'm going to unplug one, run one at a time, and then once they're both running, I know there's no issues, I'll go ahead and plug them both in and do a start. I know I can set this thing up to do one at a time using a condition, and what my plan is to have a trim and a trim, one for each turbine, and then have a condition hold that when I'm in on a three position switch, so kind of like this one. So if it was here, it would activate the first engine trim. You bring that up, and the second engine will be on kind of like a hold. So trim up, it's ready, then you go to start, back down, it cranks up. Alright, everything's good. Then I could go to kind of like the neutral position, and now the first turbine is in a hold, and it should be fine that way. It shouldn't spool up when I do this to crank the other one. So with that middle position, now this one's active, go up, trim, turbines ready, go start, back to idle, it cranks, go to the third position. Now both of them react the same. So hopefully it'll work that way. If not, I'll just do what everybody else does, dual starts, but whatever. But yeah, so hope everything goes okay. We'll see how it goes. I filled up the forward tank, which is in front of the CG, so this thing will be, even if you balance it perfect when you put the fuel in it, it's going to be nose heavy. The good thing is the saddle tanks, which I could have made those the last ones to empty, and that would have helped with the CG shift, but oh well, we'll see. But anyways, I'm gonna stop this one, go ahead and get everything set up, and then I'll turn the video back on when I start the engine.